am a chronic spender. Apple Pay just makes things a little too easy. Today, I will be challenging myself, try and live my life without spending a single coin. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the vlog. If the camera looks a little bit different today, it's because I changed the lens on it. For a really long time, I was using like a super wide angle lens, which I love because it can really capture all of the background. But then sometimes I really like this kind of like more zoomed up lens as well. It makes it look a little bit more personal. I feel like I can really zoom in on things. So I'm trying something a little different for this week's vlog. Let me know how you like it. Recently, I've been budgeting and yeah, our bank account, she's looking a little sad. I have a wedding that I'm going to at the end of this month, and then at the end of next month in October, I also have a super duper exciting trip that I'm going on. I haven't told anyone on any of the social platforms on it yet, so you guys are literally the first ones to hear. Leave a comment down below guessing where you think I'm gonna be going. It is international. I am so stoked about it. I will be vlogging the entire time, obviously. All of that to say, I cannot be spending too much money right now because I have goals and things that I'm saving up for, but I still want to obviously live my life. So I thought it would be really fun for today's vlog to do a little challenge where we don't spend any money all day, which is super duper hard because if you know me, every time I step foot out of my apartment, I do end up spending like at least $50. Usually it's like transportation, buying a little coffee, getting a little snack. There's always something to spend money on. Today, I will be challenging myself to try and live my life without spending a single coin. Let's see if we can do it. As you can tell, I have changed out of my sleep clothes, out of my pajamas, and I have changed into my gym clothes. I will be going downstairs to my apartment gym so that I can get a little workout in. These days, I've been really liking going to the gym around mid-morning, afternoonish. Like right now, I think it's 11. Yeah, it's 11:15, and this is like an ideal time for me to go. It's quite empty, which I really like. I prefer when there's not a lot of people at the gym with me. Before I go, I need to put on deodorant. Sometimes I do forget, but we're not forgetting today. Recently, I've been using this Rio Deo from Sol de Janeiro, and it is in the Cheirosa. I don't know how to pronounce this. I got this recently in a PR package from Sol de Janeiro. They sent me the entire 59 line and it smells so good. I think it's described as like a woodsy vanilla scent, but it is literally perfect for the fall. It's like very warm and cozy and like slightly sweet from the vanilla, but it is not like overpowering and sickly. I hate scents that smell like a cupcake. It's just not my type of thing. That's my rant about Sol de Janeiro, and let's go to the gym now. I am back from the gym and I got some packages, and one that I wasn't even expecting, and I have no idea what it is. Let's open it together. Okay, I'm like all sweaty from being at the gym, but I'm really excited about these packages. I know what one of them is. It's from Amazon, and I got cat food for my cat because obviously she needs to eat. So we'll open that one first. Yes. So for a really long time, I was only feeding Scout this brand called Tiki Cat, and it's known in the cat community for being like a really good brand, but it's gotten a little pricey. So I decided to try this called Cats in the Kitchen by the brand Weruva, and it's a lot larger in quantity. Back when I first adopted her like 4 years ago, I did try this brand, and I remember that Scout did like it, and I like the ingredients. It's grain-free, and it's cheaper than Tiki Cat, so I've gone back to this. I've been really liking it. So has Scout. The only thing I'm not gonna lie is that it makes her poops really stinky, but it's okay. We're willing to deal with it, and this is, again, a lot cheaper than Tiki Cat. Okay, now we have this second box, and it says it's fragile. I genuinely have no idea what could be in this box. Sometimes brands will send me PR without me even knowing. Oh my God, what is inside of this? Okay, let's see. Shut up! What? You guys, I got a PR package from Morphe. This is beautiful. And they gave me a brush. Oh, you guys, I feel like the luckiest girl right now. This is Morphe's new Cloud Light Soft Glow Veil Finishing Powder. Dawn, sunrise, golden hour, and sunset. I love the theme. Let's do a little swatch test. Okay, it says that it's supposed to softly set makeup and give skin a dreamy, diffused glow with this miraculous multitasking finishing powder. Wow, it feels so buttery. Okay, that's what the swatch looks like. I don't know if you can even see it, but it's very subtle, like glowy sheen. I am so excited to test this out. Thank you so much, Morphe. Also, Morphe brushes are genuinely the best brushes that are out there. I have a whole set of Morphe brushes that I use, and they're my favorite. So I'm very happy and excited for this powder brush. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Morphe. I was not expecting this. And I just feel so grateful and thankful that this is my job and that I get items sent to me like this, because as you guys know, I was just saying, I am on a strict budget. I don't really have that much money to be spending on makeup that I want to right now. So when I get sent items like this, I am just so grateful that any brand out there wants to send me their products for me to try out for free so that I can share them with you guys. This completely just made my day. Now I'm going to put Scout's food away, take a shower, and then we need to make lunch because I am starving. To make lunch now. I'm making some spring rolls. You've seen me make this already so many times. It's just so easy. It requires no cooking, very minimal effort. That's what we're eating for lunch today. I've got this cucumber and we're just gonna chop it up into little sticks. Perfect. Inside my spring rolls are the same things that I always put in it. Little leaf lettuce, grilled chili lime chicken breast from Trader Joe's, the cucumbers that you saw me cut up, as well as these rice noodles. Let's assemble.
Walked over, joined in the line, jaw dropped.
I made my spring rolls. I'm gonna stick them in this lettuce container because I finished it up, and I am actually going to take these to the park so that I can eat outside today.
Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my head, yeah. Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in, I need some more of you. might try for one of a kind. I might try for you can see through oversight, baby, yeah.
Yeah, one time for my girl back home. Say this twice so you won't feel alone. My love for you has grown. My love for you has grown. Miles apart, but I still feel closer. Shines bright, but I don't lower exposure. Smoke show before you even get to know her.
Yeah, you're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in, I need some more of you. I need you in my life. I want you all the time. I'm falling through the sky for you.
Hi! Did you miss me? Yeah, you did? Yo. I went out and I had some lunch at the park. I just wanted a little bit of fresh air. I saw a lot of dogs, so you probably wouldn't have liked it out there. You like to stay home, but you like it better when I'm home with you, huh? That's why we're homebodies. Oh, my sweet baby. You're so cute when you do this. You're so cute. Hi friends, I'm back home now. It was so nice to eat lunch outside. I was out there for a couple of hours at least. I just did a lot of people and dog watching. There were so many dogs out there and it brings me so much joy. If you haven't taken yourself outside to eat lunch or dinner in a while, do it now, like before the weather gets too cold for the rest of the year, to be able to enjoy the parks outside. But like, it is so healing. Truly, when people say go touch grass, like this is what they mean. It just clears your mind so much. I feel like when you're outside and people watching, you're seeing all these people live their lives and you just come to the realization that you are just a speck of dust in this massive earth, and there's just so much to experience out there. Our issues and problems can be really, really, really tiny in the grand scheme of things when you think about it, even though they can feel catastrophic to us. If you haven't gone outside, really go touch grass. It will do your mental health wonders. Now, I need to spend a few hours doing some editing, so I'm gonna change into some comfy PJs and pull up on my desk for at least 4 or 5 hours just editing. So it's already 8 p.m. When I get into like editing, sometimes I like get in the zone and then time just flies by without me realizing. So I quickly put together dinner. All I did was roast a Japanese sweet potato, and then I had some chicken that I already made like last night. 2 nights ago, I think last night. And then my favorite Korean side dish, this is marinated garlic stems. To drink, I have my Shirley Temple Bloom Pop. I know I've been drinking a lot of Bloom Pops today. I swear I'm not sponsored. They do send me these cans as PR, but I just genuinely really enjoy drinking them. It's really yummy. I really do like the Shirley Temple flavor. I like the watermelon lime that I had earlier today as well, but the Shirley Temple I think is my favorite so far. For my first bite, I'm gonna do a little bit of the manerjong and the sweet potato. If you guys didn't know, Love Island Games is currently airing on Peacock. I have been watching it, of course. We're only on episode 2. Episode 3 is airing tonight, so I am so excited for that, and I'm very, very happy to have something new to watch again every night. So far, things are very juicy, very spicy, so much drama. So if you're into that, literally give it a chance. Watch it, it's so much fun. I think I have successfully spent an entire day without spending a single dime. The package that I got today with my cat food was bought like, you know, a few days ago. So I didn't buy anything today at all. Sorry guys, I stopped talking to the camera. I got like super lost in the sauce, just like inhaled my food. We are done with dinner. It was delicious. I'm very, very happy and content now. And I'm in for the night, obviously. I'm not going anywhere. I'm in my PJs. So I think we can say that this no spend day challenge was a success. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm actually really proud of myself because I am a chronic spender. I live in a capitalist society and, you know, Apple Pay just makes things a little too easy sometimes. I am tapping my phone away at everything. Like, I step out of the house, I go to CVS, or I like to get a little coffee, a sweet treat, a sandwich, like that. It's endless. No cent was spent and all my coin is in the bank. In fact, I even made some money today. Yes, because I got paid for a couple of brand deals that I did. So we're actually net positive for today and we're very proud. We're very happy. I have to acknowledge the amount of privilege that I hold while doing this challenge. Obviously, like, I live in an apartment building that has a gym connected to it. I'm very, very lucky to live somewhere that, you know, has those kind of amenities. I'm also really lucky to be able to go out on a walk in the middle of the day and eat my lunch at a park. These are all things that I acknowledge and made my no spend day a little bit easier, but nevertheless, if you are someone who is on a budget as well, I hope that this video helped you to see what potential things that you could do to save money. We are all struggling together. Trust me, you are not alone. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe. I upload YouTube videos every Tuesday. If you're into more daily kind of content, I upload on Instagram and TikTok every single day. You can find my face on pretty much every platform. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week. And until then, I hope you have the best day, besties. Bye.